In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Carrd in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a personal site or a simple landing page, Carrd is a fantastic tool for building one-page sites. Linking effectively within your Carrd website is crucial for guiding your visitors where you want them to go, be it a separate web page, a form, or any resource you wish to share. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Carrd website. If you're not familiar with it, Carrd is an intuitive tool that makes single-page websites easy and efficient to create. Once you're on the site, navigate to the element where you want to add a link. This could be a text block or a button, and the process is slightly different for each type. If the element you're working with is a text field, you'll first need to highlight the specific text you want to transform into a clickable link. This step is essential, as it marks the text that will become interactive. Now, you wrap your text with square brackets. Immediately following the text enclosed in square brackets, you'll add parentheses. Within these parentheses, you will paste the URL of the link you want this text to direct to. For instance, if you type "click here" and surround it with brackets like this, "click here." Excuse me, www.example.com. It will display as a clickable link that redirects users to your specified URL. It's a straightforward markdown syntax that Carrd understands, making it simple to integrate links directly into your text without any extra hassle. Next, let's explore adding a link to a button. Select the button element where you want to include a link. Once you have the button selected, navigate to its settings. Here, you should look for an option labeled either Link or URL. You'll want to paste the URL you wish the button to link to in this field. This process effectively links the button to your specified web page or resource. Additionally, while you're within the button settings, don't forget to customize its appearance to ensure it aligns with your site's design. Carrd allows you to adjust the button's color, text, and more, giving you the freedom to customize it to your liking. That's it! Now you have the knowledge to add both text and button links to your Carrd site. This simple addition can significantly enhance the functionality of your page, opening up new pathways for interaction and engagement with your visitors. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and don't hesitate to experiment and see what creative ways you can use links on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy